Tanya, my mommy say you must go home because my mommy's gonna teach now.
No, but I was still the whole day by you and I was also hungry.
No, Tanya, this was not my fault. My mommy's gonna teach us and you're also good for you. That's all my mommy can give you. And your mommy was also owes my mommy a, a 50 rand from the chicken. Now tell your mommy to go make you that, so you have to go home. Mommy, you get my dish now. She's going home.
Your
Bye.
mommy's get rude. And
Now
then say,
go.
then you must say,
I know my mom is get rude, but you must go home so you can go.
yeah, you must say bye. Okay, bye.
Bye.